Your phone is making someone money right now. The question is whether that someone is you. Most people use their phone to scroll, shop, and kill time. A smaller group of people use the exact same device to generate income around the clock, while they sleep, while they work, while they're doing anything else. The difference is not talent, it is not luck. It is knowing which systems to set up and actually setting them up. This video is going to walk you through the real methods. No fluff, no clickbait, no download this app and get rich overnight nonsense. These are legitimate income streams that run from your phone, that compound over time, and that do not require you to trade hours for dollars once they are set up. Let's start with the mindset shift that makes this possible. Most income is active. You work, you get paid. You stop working, the money stops. That is a trade, and it is a trap for most people because time is finite. The goal of phone-based passive income is to break that trade, to build systems that earn without your constant attention. The phone is the tool that makes this easier than at any point in human history. You have a camera, a microphone, a publishing platform, a bank, a stock brokerage, a storefront, and a global audience in your pocket. The barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been. What most people are missing is the intention to use it. Here is the first method, and it is one of the most underrated. High-yield savings and cash management. This sounds boring. It is not. If you have money sitting in a traditional bank savings account, you are probably earning less than 0.5% interest. The national average for traditional savings accounts is embarrassingly low, but if you move that same money into a high-yield savings account, which you can open and manage entirely from your phone, you can earn 4%, 4.5%, sometimes more, depending on the rate environment. On $10,000, that is the difference between $40 a year and $450 a year. On $50,000, that gap is more than $2,000 annually. Money you did nothing to earn after the initial setup. That is money working while you sleep, literally. Apps like Marcus, Ally, SoFi, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs all let you open accounts from your phone in minutes. You link your existing bank, transfer the funds, and from that point forward, the interest compounds daily and posts monthly. Set it up once. Never think about it again. The second method is dividend investing. This is the most time-tested passive income system in the world, and with your phone you can get started with as little as $1. The idea is simple. You buy shares of companies or ETFs that pay dividends, and those companies send you a portion of their profits on a regular schedule, monthly, quarterly, or annually, just for holding the stock. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Schwab all let you buy fractional shares from your phone. You do not need thousands of dollars to start. You can buy $20 worth of a dividend ETF like SCHD or VWEM and start receiving small payments almost immediately. Now, small is the key word at the beginning. On $200 invested in a fund paying a 4% dividend yield, you are earning $8 a year. That is not life-changing. But here is where it gets interesting. If you reinvest those dividends automatically, which every major app lets you do, your share count grows without you adding a single dollar. And as your invested amount grows, the dividends grow with it. That is compounding. At a 4% yield on $50,000, you are receiving $2,000 a year in dividends. On $200,000, that is $8,000 a year just for holding. Most people never start because the early numbers are small. The people who build real wealth from dividends started small and stayed consistent. Your phone makes it possible to automate the entire thing. The third method is content monetization through YouTube automation. This one takes more upfront effort, but the ceiling is the highest of anything on this list. YouTube pays creators through the YouTube Partner Program once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But here's what most people do not talk about. You do not have to be on camera. You do not have to use your real name. You do not even have to make the content manually anymore. The model is called YouTube automation, and it works like this. You pick a topic, personal finance, history, technology, true crime, whatever has an audience. You research and write a script. You use a text-to-speech tool to narrate it. You use stock video and simple editing to put it together. You upload and you repeat. Channels doing this generate real money. 10,000 views a month on a finance channel can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 in ad revenue depending on your audience. 100,000 views can bring in $500 to $3,000. And a video keeps earning for months or even years after you post it. The upfront effort is real, but once a video is live, it earns passively. You are building an asset. Every video you add to the library increases the total monthly income without requiring more of your ongoing time. The phone is not the primary production tool here, but it is your distribution channel, your analytics dashboard, and your engagement hub. The fourth method is selling digital products. This is one of the cleanest passive income models because there is no inventory, no shipping, no returns, and no restocking. You create something once, an ebook, a template, a guide, a course, a preset, a Notion dashboard, a spreadsheet tool, and you sell it indefinitely. Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, and Payhip all have mobile apps or mobile-optimized dashboards. You can upload a product, set a price, share the link, and receive payments while you sleep. Every time someone buys, money hits your account. You did the work once. The key is building in a traffic source. If you have a social following, even a small one, you already have an audience to sell to. If you do not, you need to build one, or you can rely on SEO and platforms like Pinterest or TikTok to drive traffic to your product page. Either way, once the product exists and the traffic source is in place, income can flow without daily input. The fifth method is renting your digital assets. This is one that most people have never heard of, and it is growing fast. The idea is that anything valuable can be rented, not just physical things. Your phone number, your social media accounts, your domain names, your unused computing power. All of these can generate income when managed through the right platforms. Honeygain and Pawns.app, for example, pay you to share your unused internet bandwidth. You install the app, leave it running in the background, and get paid for the bandwidth your devices are not using. The income is not massive. Most users earn $5 to $50 a month depending on their usage and location, but it requires exactly zero effort after setup. If you own premium domain names, you can park them and earn advertising revenue every time someone types that address into a browser. Domain parking platforms handle everything. You just hold the asset. The sixth method is peer-to-peer lending and alternative investments. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate deals, apartment complexes, commercial developments, diversified portfolios, directly from your phone, with minimums as low as $10. You are acting as a small investor in large real estate projects, and you receive quarterly dividends from rental income and project profits. Real estate has historically been one of the best long-term wealth builders, but it has also been largely inaccessible to anyone without significant capital or the desire to become a landlord. Fundrise and platforms like it change that. You are a passive investor, you collect income, someone else manages the properties. There are risks here. These are not FDIC-insured products, and your returns will vary. But as part of a diversified passive income strategy, real estate dividends on your phone are a legitimate and powerful tool. The seventh method is automated selling through print on demand. If you have any design ability or access to design tools like Canva, which has a free mobile app, you can create original designs and list them on print-on-demand platforms. Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Society6 all print products and ship them to customers on your behalf. You set up the design once, list it, and earn a royalty every time something sells. A single winning design on Redbubble can generate passive sales for years. Many sellers have hundreds of designs listed, earning small royalties from each, which adds up to meaningful monthly income over time. Manage everything from your phone. Upload new designs when inspiration strikes. The platform handles printing, fulfillment, and customer service. The eighth method is building and monetizing a newsletter. Email newsletters have become one of the most durable income streams for content creators. You build a list of people interested in a topic you cover: money, fitness, parenting, productivity, whatever, and you monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or paid subscriptions. Beehive and Substack both have mobile apps that let you write and send newsletters entirely from your phone. Sponsorships on newsletters with even a few thousand engaged subscribers can bring in several $100s per send. At 10,000 subscribers, high-engagement newsletters regularly command $1,000 to $3,000 per sponsored issue. The compounding is powerful here too. Each new subscriber you add increases the value of every future send. A newsletter you build over 12 to 18 months becomes a business asset with real ongoing value. The final method, and the one with the highest leverage, is affiliate marketing. You recommend products and services. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The phone is your content creation device. Short-form video, blog posts, reviews, social content. And every piece of content you create is a permanent asset that can drive affiliate clicks forever. Amazon's affiliate program, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and direct brand affiliate programs all pay significant commissions. Software products and financial services especially pay well. Some programs pay 20 to 50% of a recurring subscription, meaning one customer can send you monthly commissions for years. The strategy here is to pick a niche, create genuinely useful content that answers real questions, embed your affiliate links, and let the content work for you. A well-ranking YouTube video or blog post can earn commissions every single day without you touching it again. Here is the reality check, because this video would be doing you a disservice without it. None of these methods produce income overnight. The people who make real money from passive phone income took months or years to build the systems. What they did differently is they started before they felt ready. They stayed consistent when the results were slow, and they reinvested early earnings to accelerate growth. The phone you are holding right now has more earning potential than most people ever tap. The apps, the platforms, the audience reach, it is all there. The only variable is whether you set up the systems. Start with one. Pick the method that fits your current situation. High-yield savings if you have money to park. Dividend investing if you want to start small. Digital products if you have something to teach. Get one stream running, then add another. Over time, those streams add up to something that earns while you sleep every single night. If this video gave you a real starting point, hit like and subscribe. We put out new wealth-building content every week. Real strategies, not get-rich-quick noise. Follow Fuel Your Wealth for more. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.